Hello, little friends. Today, we're visiting the coldest place on Earth, Antarctica. But I have a big question. How do penguins stay warm here? It's super cold here, sometimes below minus 60 degrees Celsius. But look, this penguin isn't shivering at all. Thick feathers. Secret number 1. Thick feathers. Their feathers are packed tightly like a fluffy winter coat. Fat under the skin. Secret number 2. A layer of blubber. That's a special kind of fat under their skin that keeps heat inside, like a warm blanket. Waterproof feathers. Penguin feathers are also waterproof thanks to natural oil, so they stay dry even while swimming. Huddle together. When it gets super cold, penguins huddle together in big groups to stay warm, like one big group hug. Summary. So, penguins don't get cold because 1. Thick, fluffy feathers. 2. Warm fat under their skin. 3. Waterproof outer feathers. 4. Staying close together in groups. Thanks for learning with Dr. Mew today. See you next time for another fun science question. Bye-bye.